Hey guys, so I built an Alex Hormozi AI business coach, essentially like having a pocket Alex Hormozi inside of your Claude environment. It's got very specific instructions that basically tell it to be exactly like Alex Hormozi with very specific role instructions, the context, his voice, his frameworks, how to coach, strategic questions, sorry. And the main things is that it won't agree with everything that you say, like most LLMs do. So here's how it works. It's built on ND files on all of his books: $100 million money models, $100 million offers, $100 million leads. And it's got all of his coaching questions, his exact voice, and the way he speaks. And essentially, it's also scraped everything that he's ever posted online and all of his YouTube videos and things like that. So as close as you can get to Alex Hormozi being in your pocket. So if you want it to roast your offer and make it better, all you need to do is type in this very simple prompt. Hey Hormozi, roast my offer, then make it better. Here's my offer. I'm just going to use this as an example. This is not my offer. This is someone inside of our community, so a bit of free value for them. I help skinny fat men get visible abs in 90 days without doing hours of cardio. Price $1,000. Go ahead and click this button here, and Hormozi will do his thing. So here we go. It says roast first, then the rebuild, run it through the value equation, which is built on this book right here, $100 million offers. Fantastic book. Got to get your hands on it. Anyway, it goes through the dream outcome, perceived likelihood of achievement, time delay, effort, and sacrifice. Price is naked. Apparently, $100,000 flat. No stack, no anchor, no guarantee. You're handing him a number with nothing around it. So his brain compares you to every $19 app and every free YouTube guy racing to the bottom. You don't even know it. Pretty true. This isn't a Grand Slam offer. It's a promise with a price tag stapled to it. Gives you a full rebuild. So here we go. Help skinny fat guys lose the gut. It's your top 2 apps in 90 days. Eating the food they already like. Training 3 times a week. No cardio. You see visible change in the first 21 days. Or I keep coaching you free until you do. That's like bang on. I would just personally just see their visible abs here instead of like top 2 abs. That's a bit weird, but yeah, it'll run through what changed, the full stack, and runs through basically everything for you. So you can chuck in any offer you want. That's just an example, and I'll show you how to get access to this Alex Hormozi business coach now as well. So inside of the senders community, we've got a 7-day free trial. So when you jump on, it'll say join trial or something like that. If it's still there when you watch this video, just jump in on that. If not, sorry. So click into Classroom, go Grand Slam offer, and then it'll say Alex Hormozi AI Business Coach right here. I've got everything included in a zip file in there, which has got the instructions, his voice, all of his books, all of that information, and then step-by-step instructions in here. And there's also a video a lot more in depth about it inside the community as well. So jump in, grab it. If you find yourself finding more value inside of the community, because it's pretty cool, pretty fun, then feel free to stay. Hop on a call with myself or my business partner, Harry, and we might be able to help you even more than this. So yeah, hope that helps, and let me know how you go.